Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
To open a workbook, you must first know where the workbook you want to open is located. This location could be within a folder on your computer, a network folder, some sort of CD-ROM or DVD-ROM, or perhaps it's located on some other type of removable media. Once you know where the file is located, you can then open it by using the Open dialog box. You can access this dialog box by clicking the Microsoft Office button in the upper left corner of the screen and then choosing the Open command. In the Open dialog box that appears, you use the navigation tools at the top of the dialog box to select the location of the file which you would like to open. Now you should see an icon for the document file along with the document file's name within the files and folders shown in the Open dialog box. To open a file from the location you've selected, you can click the icon for the file that you want to open and then just click the Open button in the lower right corner of the Open dialog box. Alternately, you could just double-click on the icon of the file shown within the Open dialog box in order to open the file. Now you can also use this dialog box to simultaneously open multiple workbooks from the same folder location. To do this, repeat the steps, but this time when selecting files shown within the Open dialog box, you can hold down the Control button on your keyboard and then click on the files that you would like to select if they are non-adjacent or not next to each other. Now if the files happen to be adjacent or next to each other, then you can instead click on the first file, hold down Shift on your keyboard, and then click on the last file to select those two files and everything in between. When you're finished, release the keys on the keyboard. Once you've made your selection of files, simply click the Open button in the lower right corner of the Open dialog box to open all of the highlighted or selected documents. Also notice that if you are simply trying to open a recently accessed workbook, then you may be able to simply click the Microsoft Office button and then select the name of the recently opened file that appears in the list at the right side of the command panel.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.